Hello, the Crosstown Arcade. Welcome everybody to Dave & Buster's in Livonia. Tailgate Toss is my game right here, and I want to show you how to play this game. There are a lot of things that you have to remember about in order to play this game, so if you want to win the jackpot, I can show you how it is right now. Let's go and see. Hello, I'm the Crosstown Arcade there, Dave & Buster's Livonia, and we're at Tailgate Toss. Now, a little tip on how to play this. The goal is to get as many streaks as possible. A streak is when you hit 3 of the same colors in a row, and your goal is to beat the score but not go too over with the jackpot. Now, each color represents a certain amount of number when it's lit. The green is 100, the blue is 200, and the red is 300. Now, if you get 3 of the same lit in a row, you'll get the streak bonus, which will be tallied up at the end of your time limit. Which the time limit, it doesn't show now, but you get 30 seconds here at Tailgate Toss. I'm thinking Beanbag Toss, because Beanbag Toss is a whole different story. They give you, I think, 22 seconds. Here at Dave & Buster's Tailgate Toss, it's 30 seconds. Now, to get that, you need enough 3 in a row to make in the time allotted to get the high score. Now you gotta be real fast because you gotta get a certain amount, especially with a score like this. Now I don't know, your score may be 10,000, maybe lower, but if you can do the math, you'll be able to get this easily. Now you gotta do mental math while doing this, because here's how it goes. For the 300, if you get 3 in a row, you get 900 plus the streak bonus of 500, which is 1400. The blue will give you 200, so 3 in a row is 600, plus the 5 will be 1100. And the green is 100, so 3 of those is 300, plus the 500 streak bonus at the end, which will be 800. Now, if you get it into the foul, it's only worth 20. If you get it into an unlit color, it'll also be worth 20, and it'll also break the streak. If you get into a color that's not the same color as the one you're going for, you'll get the number for that, but you also lose the streak. So, my goal is to get 12,800. That's going to be very, very hard, considering the fact that I need a lot to get that. So with that in mind, let's see if I can get 12,800. Or higher if I do it right. A little better if I go like this way. Not even close. Not even close. Not even close. I'll try it again. couple minutes. So I got it. Look, this is not easy work. We have to put 10 streaks in, 5 streaks of red, and 5 streaks of blue. But there you go, jackpot here on Tailgate Toss, and that's how to play Tailgate Toss here. But Dave Buster's Lavoyer, Crosstown Arcade, saying, see you next time. Hey, it's the Crosstown Arcade. I have now 690,336 tickets. Man, I am so close to that million, folks. I keep passing the 700,000 mark later next week. And then we're getting close to that million. So be on the lookout on my channel for the 1 million ticket live stream. It'll be coming up hopefully sometime either next month or maybe even in March. It all depends on how I do in the next few weeks. But the next videos you'll see will be possibly quick drop, tailgate toss, an Indica day out, and a day at round 1. So with that in mind, like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. This is the Crosstown Arcade from David Buster's Lavoyer saying see you next time.